Mitsubishi Eclipse, orange. What the heck is he doing? No, 12 Harrison. Casey's north, southbound, orange Eclipse, no LPN. Showing pursuit.
10-4, so 54. Harrison 13, you copy? I-12, in pursuit, southbound Harrison.
Coming up on the north interchange.
10-4, I'm advising Harrison City.
Are you coming into town or are you leaving town?
I'm in town, I'm by Hutch's.
What's the reason for pursuit?
Doing 80 and a 45.
City and county's been advised.
10-4.
What's your traffic light?
Traffic's about normal, but he's not speeding necessarily. Doing about 45 right now. He's just not stopping for me.
That the vehicle's just now stopping.
Where's the orange?
Harrison I-12.
Stand by, version of traffic, trying to find out now.
We're just north of the hospital.
10-4.
Okay, let's go on. Let me know what that location is.
We're just north of the hospital.
North of the hospital. Where are they?
We're just south of the hospital now. Coming up on the
What's your speed
park.
traffic light?
Traffic's medium to light. We're about 50, 55.
Are you guys still pursuit?
Not stop there, still going southbound.
We're by the youth center on Central. Looks like we're going to be heading in the neighborhood on Central.
Ten four.
Harrison I-12, 10-20 now.
14th, no Central.
We're on Central, still about 50.
10-4.
Sorry, I believe I walked on you. Our speed is about 35, 40 right now.
Do you know who this individual is?
Negative. It's going to be a white male, medium build. Looks like he's in there by himself.
We need a 20.
West Stevenson and Liberty. West Stevenson and Liberty. We're on Liberty. We're on West Rush now.
Copy, you're on West Rush.
Show us on Highland.
Go to P.
We're going to be back on Caps.
You got 3 units on Caps. We're all west now.
Copy, you're back on Caps Road.
Tip one.
You are westbound 24.
Tip one.
We're behind you, State. If you can hear us.
10-4, I see you guys. We are turning on 397.
Copy, you're turning on 397.
What's your speed?
We're still on 397.
55 to 60 at the moment.
Here's if you copy the traffic threat.
Copy, you have any PD units with you?
Negative, they're behind me.
He went for a bit.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Now!
Get out of the car!
Hands on! Go ahead, hands on! Go ahead, hands on! Get down! On the ground! On the ground! I'll stay with him. All right. I'm going to turn your car off. All right, thanks. Oh. Harrison. My brakes are on my
It was successful. 397, 1050.
Do you copy? We're 1015. Form pit.